Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to create Enlighten Aquarium in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Get More Visuals from here. Right on here, Enlighten Aquarium. Click on the first one. Press Add. As soon as you press Add, this app will appear in the visualization section. Here is it. Click on it. So we'll have to specify the fish size. So let's take the profit and the fish. So fish is according to the subcategory. Activate the focus mode. So you can see the large fish is making more profit and small fishes like this are making losses. Right? So this is how you can create the Enlighten Aquarium in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.